Welcome to dotcom.builders. In this video, I will share with you how to delete files from File Manager in WordPress on Hostinger. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Hostinger account. Then go to Websites. And next to the website, you want to delete files from its File Manager app. Click on this dashboard button. Now, from this left side menu, scroll down to Files and select File Manager. Click on Access Files of your website name. A new page opens up. Double-click this public HTML folder, and you will see all of your website files. And to delete one, it's simple. Just click on the file that you want to delete using the right button of your mouse like that, and you will see this menu. Select delete from it. Here, are you sure you wish to delete this file? Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger web hosting online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, how to set up your WordPress website and configure it, how to customize your WordPress website, SSL, security, privacy, email setup, launch and index your website, speed and performance optimization, how to use Lightspeed Cache plugin, and also how to manage your files, databases, and backups. To get all of this today for free, plus my other online courses like Hostinger Website Builder or Hostinger License, just join dotcom Builders Academy from this link, academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue this video. Here, are you sure you wish to delete this file? Yes, click on delete. And here you can check this box next whether you want to skip trash bin and delete immediately like that or not. Keep it in the trash bin. I will click on delete, and just like that, your file is deleted from the File Manager app. If you make a mistake and delete the wrong file, you can go back to the trash bin here. Click again on the file you want to recover and click on Move File. Let's double click on this first folder in order to see this public HTML. Click on it again. And in my case, I want to move it back to the public HTML folder. Of course, this restore deleted files option is only available if you didn't skip the trash bin like that. This way you can recover your deleted files, and with this option you can't recover your deleted files. And this is how to delete files from the File Manager app in WordPress on Hostinger. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.